Hey, my name is Gabe Rojas. We're at the Hershey Lodge, and this is my Spartan internship. It's special because Hershey, they say it's the sweetest place on earth. So each day I get to come in right through the main doors and I get to see all these different people, with their kids smiling, having a good time, and I get to take a part in that. I'm doing the accounting, some of the marketing, and finding out where budgets come from, how you manage them, and why it's important to stay under them. It's not just about computers and meetings and traveling the world and making ads. It's also about how you treat people, making those connections, applying what you learn. It's also about the impact that you leave on people and having that grit and toughness because, all companies go through peaks and they go through those little droughts where things are a little lower. So you have to have all types of abilities to get through that. It's been a lot of fun doing this. I'm blessed. I got to do this before I go to college, so I know what it's like when I do go and if I want to study that or if it's what I actually thought it would be.